In this video, we will talk about one-stage simple random sampling, or SRS. With one-stage simple random sampling, all sampling units are randomly selected from the sampling frame, and every unit has an equal chance of being selected as part of the sample. Simple random sampling is like drawing names from a bowl, where every name is written once, and each name has exactly the same probability of being selected. So make sure not to select clusters, say villages, and then participants or households. Simple random sampling is advantageous because it removes all risk of bias from the sampling process. It is also relatively simple, as it often requires a smaller sample size. And the data is relatively easy to analyze, since sampling weights are not needed and advanced statistical knowledge is not required. Despite the benefits we mentioned here, simple random sampling can be logistically difficult because the units that are sampled are dispersed throughout the entire target population. Depending on the size of your population, this might require visiting hundreds of communities, which can be inefficient given a program's limited resources. There is also the risk of unrepresentative groupings being selected by chance, since SRS does not take into account groups that might be underrepresented in your data. A one-stage simple random sampling strategy is appropriate to use if a list of all program participants or households is available and the logistical burden of data collection is reasonable. For example, SRS might be used for surveys done in small, confined geographical locations, like a refugee camp. If you're collecting data remotely, it might also be appropriate, since you don't need to consider travel logistics and geographical dispersal. Here is a diagram that visually depicts how SRS works.